Hello, this is a follow-up on my previous tutorial using two Arduinos to send data via RF. This is the transmitter, this is the receiver, this is the antenna of the receiver, this is the antenna of the transmitter. I'm using this joystick to move a servo. Left and right. Had a few difficulties programming this. I'm using autofocus. That's it. I'm using the virtual wire library, the liquid crystal library, and servo timer 2, because the virtual wire library conflicts with the servo library, with the regular normal servo library, because of the timers and interrupts. Look it up in Google. Bye.